An unfortunate incident has come to light from Gautam Budh Nagar district's Noida area, in which what we have seen that a 27-year-old techie has lost his life on the intervening night of January 16th and 17th. This is the very locality where what we have seen that this individual was coming at around 12:05 a.m. at night, and he was supposed to move towards this very side. But what has happened that he basically lost the way because of the fog, and there was a very less visibility at that point in time, nearly to zero. Right now, to understand this entire scenario, I'm joined by former NDRF DIG, Mr. Bhatnagar, sir. Naveen Bhatnagar, sir, how do you see this? Is this a man-made incident or was it a tragic incident?
Both you can say is a man-made in this sense that it is the this negligency on the part of district administration, which they have not learned the lesson with their previous accidents here.
Absolutely, because what we have seen that few weeks back, there was another incident which has taken place at the very same location when another vehicle basically drowned into the same area, right? And few months back, if you see in the month of October, what we have seen that another girl has basically was saved from this very area at a distance of 200 meters. So this is the third incident which has taken place in the last 2 months.
Gross in you can say the gross negligence on the part of the district administration. When you are having such a nuisance here in this particular place, because it is quite dark, and especially in the smoky area, this your fog and all these things are there. So there is lot of danger is there. Why you have not put the demarcation and the other lighting arrangement and all these things here? I don't know what happened when I came to know that there is lot of funds are available for this purpose, road safety with the authorities. Totally gross negligence on the part of a district authority, and I'll recommend especially all the authorities who are watching this show that stern action should be taken against the complete authority people from top to bottom.
We have seen that the action has been taken, but it's too late and too little. If you see this barricading has been done once the accident has taken place, and after that one life has been lost. Then after that what we have seen that that this action has been taken. And if you see the boy was coming from this very side, and he was at a very what do you think, what would be the speed of that very car?
To me, after watching seeing this side, I can say it is more than 70 to 80 kilometers per hour, and due to this fog, he was unable to control the vehicle, and the vehicle goes off. Now you see this protective wall. This protective wall damaged, and it shows that either the wall is too weak or the speed is too high, and the vehicle jumped from this first step to another step, and goes inside that particular this huge water stagnant pond.
So if you see, don't you think that it's an utter negligence from the side of the Noida authority? Because what we have been seeing that if this area would have been enclosed, then the situation would have been different. The guy would have been alive today.
Only light. If they should use this light, especially the fog light, and some barricades are required, the road safety breakers are required in this particular place when it is already declared the danger place. Why they have not, they have this road breakers, they have. Why they have not used? I am surprised that for such a negligent work they have done, and including the police also. Police is there. It's also the duty of this particular SHO and all these things. Why they have not taken care about it? It's a see.
Okay. And what we have seen that when the NDRF team has arrived over here, it took them approximately more than 2 hours to rescue that very individual. Why it took so long?
Yeah, because it was really NDRF people got very late information about it. Otherwise, they were able to rescue that particular boy. There is no doubt. And in such conditions, we are expert, especially, sorry, we are expert, the NDRF people. And we can rescue, we have rescued So many.
The eyewitnesses have claimed that they were ill-equipped. At that point in time, they were not enough equipment they were carrying.
When this your fire staff was there, fire people, they were having all the equipments with them. They were having the rescue boat. They were having this
Despite that, they lost.
yeah. So
So if you see, this is a very unfortunate tragedy that has taken place. We were just speaking to former NDRF DIG, Mr. Bhatnagar, and he's saying that on the part of the district administration, especially on the part of the Noida Authority and fire also as well. If you see, there's certainly negligence because of which what we have seen that we have lost a 27-year-old young man. With video journalist Moin Akil for NDTV 24/7.